despite things could go wrong, despite the fact that we could end up with someone who doesn't make good use of their time, despite all of that, we still understand that in order to get our life back and go help more people, we need help. So the encouragement that we want to offer is like, don't give up on it. This is what I've told agents before. They've come to me and says, you know, Todd, getting people and getting buyers agents and getting people, it's really hard. And I'm like, it's hard for you. It's not hard for me. Like, why is it hard for you, but not hard for me? Like, what's the differences? But it's not hard for Elon. And I'm not comparing myself to that guy. I'm just saying, like, why is it hard for you, but not for these other people? Do you understand? Like, it's you. So don't confuse like having access to the solutions with the mistakes that we make, okay? Because the solutions are there in front of us. So the first thing that we're going to do here today is we're going to take a step back. We're going to understand that leveraging people is noble because it allows us to go help more people. That's the first thing we're going to get our brain around. So we kind of got to sell ourselves and resell ourselves on it based on the mistakes that we made in the past and we see other people make. Certainly understand that. But it is noble to go help more people get what they want. And the only way to go help more people get what they want is through leverage. So that's how you want to roll on this, guys. So the thing that's going to make it work better is you. So Erica and Tammy, tell me a little bit about you guys. What are you doing to improve your ability to leverage people?
Well, one of the things, you said, does a train wreck happen? Yes, it does. And you get frustrated because you put all this time and energy in place. And that's the frustration with the train wreck. But now the biggest thing is like, well, if we have all of our systems in place, train wrecks don't matter because we just flip it and do it again, flip it and do it again. And it doesn't have to take so much energy and heart and all that stuff from us. We can just plug them into the system and not have to worry about it.
So what does this mean? There's a lid and we haven't reached our full potential. Okay, because you come with a built-in lid. So our job as business people, real estate people, or leaders in our own business is we've got to raise the lid. We got to improve our skills, our ability, our acumen, our influence, our wisdom. We've got to improve on a daily basis so that we can have a better business. All right. Now, I will grant you, some people are born with higher lids than others, but it doesn't mean you can't become better with work. We all understand that. So that's the first one, leading. What is the best way to lead people? Erica, what do you think it is?
By example first, I would say.
Okay, I'll write that down. That's good. A great way to lead is by example, which means that you've got to be willing to do the work that you're trying to get other people to do. Is that right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, see, this is a problem for a lot of real estate agents. They're not willing to do the work that they're giving others to do. Mistake. You've got to be able to roll up your sleeves, sit down at the phone, pick up the phone, and call some of these prospects back in front of your team so they can see that you're like in this thing to win it.